10 more minutes to go. I'm breaking in my new convection oven, toaster, convection, new wave oven. Bakes up to 450 degrees in temperature. It's got a convection baking feature, pretty cool. I'm baking some tiles. I treated them with a sublimation coat, and they have to be cured in an oven for 22 minutes at about 350 degrees, more or less, and prepping them for some sublimation images. So that's what I'm doing this afternoon. I am baking tiles and curing the sublimation coat. I've already done these 6 right here that are face to face to each other, and I got a few more to go. Those 2 little ones are already baked, and can't wait to try this out on the hot press. Alright, about this oven, I got it on Amazon, reasonably priced. I think it had pretty good reviews, and it's very lightweight, surprisingly. It probably weighs 7 to 8 pounds, maybe 10, but I don't even think it weighs that much. It's got all kinds of functions and features, and for the price, you even get a cookbook with it, which I was really surprised. But I'm not using it for its intended use functions. I'm using it to bake tiles. But this is a pretty cool little. It's the New Wave Bravo XL oven, countertop oven, and it's got some pretty good, pretty cool recipes, breakfast, all kinds of stuff you can make in this oven. Yeah. But I'm using it for tiles. Alright. Have a good afternoon.